Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make milkshake thick without ice cream. We'll explore various ingredients and techniques to achieve that perfect, creamy consistency you love. Get ready to discover simple ways to create delicious, satisfying milkshakes right in your own kitchen. We'll cover key thickening agents, effective blending methods, and essential tips for a delightful treat every time. To achieve a thick milkshake without ice cream, certain ingredients are your best friends. Frozen fruits, especially bananas, are fantastic for adding natural body and sweetness. Dairy products like yogurt or cottage cheese contribute a lovely creaminess. For extra substance, a tablespoon or two of oats or chia seeds can work wonders, and a tiny pinch of cornstarch or xanthan gum can provide significant thickening. The way you blend makes a big difference. Always start with less liquid than you think you need, adding more slowly until you reach your desired consistency. Blending on a high speed helps to incorporate air, making the milkshake lighter and thicker. Pre-chilling your ingredients and even your blender pitcher can also help maintain a cold, thick texture throughout the process. Don't hesitate to use a tamper to keep things moving. For the ultimate thick milkshake experience, a few final touches can elevate your drink. Freezing your serving glasses beforehand keeps your milkshake colder and thicker for longer. Remember, the perfect thickness is subjective, so feel free to adjust ingredient ratios to match your personal preference. Don't be afraid to experiment with various flavor combinations. Always serve your delicious, thick milkshake immediately to enjoy its peak taste and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.